introducing a pre-owned 2018 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control,